Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Hallo! Dusch! Hallo!
Thomas, sen nereye gittin?
I stopped so they got smoked. A bit worse, isn't it?
I'll put it on YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, okay. Your canal?
I'll do it later when it's a bit dry.
Yeah. Yes, but canal name.
The easiest way I find is go onto YouTube and do a search, and then I tap in the search and that finds my account. When I have my phone.
Okay.
Пошли.